So we're on Airplane Trail, and here's pretty much what we're going to see are these big trees, and you can see where the wind blew it out. Another tree fell right there, and so we'll get this cleared out. And there's the after. And then there's Ole down there, so everything's good to go. And then here's your typical trees. One right there, one right there. Looking up. And here's the after. That one. One, two. So this is a leaner that's on an airplane, and this is what we're going to see a lot this year. These are live trees that have been pulled out. This one's going to fall soon, so typically we don't touch these till later on in the season, but this is going to fall in the middle of the trail, and there really isn't a good way around it, so we're going to take care of this. And here's the after. And then we also pick up any big rocks in the middle of the trail, but this all looks really good. And that's a leaner, but it's not going to hurt anybody, so leave it alone. And here's typical trees that fall about 3 or 4 feet off the ground, just high enough we could get the bikes under, but we cut all this stuff out. And then here's the after. Everything nice and spiffy. So here's your typical blowdown. You can see where pulled out of the roots. So there's 1, 2, 3 right here, and then we got that one right there. So there it is, looking up. So here's the after. Got those, and got those 3 down there. Oh, and then the other one. I guess that one right there. So that's all clear. So this is still on the airplane trail, and this is a typical tree, but it's pretty big. Hopefully one cut and it'll roll off the trail. So there's the after. Got to do it in one cut, so that worked out good. And right there.